Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2019 Volkswagen Jetta R-Line in platinum gray. With fully automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, electronic stability control, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 9,104 miles on the odometer, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, heated rear seats, power sunroof, 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5528.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.